In this video, you'll learn how to manage logged-in devices on eBay. This process is essential for maintaining the security of your account and ensuring that no unauthorized individuals have access to your personal information. Begin by signing into your eBay account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for your username or profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings. This will direct you to the main settings page for your account. On the account settings page, navigate to the section labeled Security or Sign-in Settings. This section contains vital information about your account security. Once you are in this section, review the list of active sessions and devices that have logged into your account. Take your time to identify any unfamiliar devices or sessions that appear suspicious. For each device listed, you will see details such as the device type and the location from which it accessed your account. Confirm these location details carefully to ensure they match your own. If you notice any discrepancies or unfamiliar devices, it is important to take action immediately to protect your account. Next, select the option to sign out of specific sessions remotely. This option is usually presented as a button or link next to the device name. After clicking this, you will be prompted to confirm the removal of the device from your account. Make sure to confirm this action. If you suspect any suspicious activity, change your password right away to prevent further access. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This feature will require you to verify your identity through a second method, such as a text message or authentication app. Ensure that your phone number and email security settings are up to date to receive alerts about your account activities. Finally, remember to log out from shared or public devices manually after use. It is advisable to avoid saving passwords on public computers to minimize risk. Regularly updating your password is also a good practice for maintaining account security. Keep your recovery email active and monitor login alerts from eBay to stay informed about any unauthorized access attempts. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.